What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you how you can extract the coordinates from the file and run in your program. So let's begin. For that, first you have to download this file. I will give the link in the description, or you can create your own list of coordinates. Here is the volcano X, is the number of this. Here the number, here the name, here the location of them, here the status, here the elevation, here the type, here the time frame. You can see that here is the time frame D3 here, and this is the thing which we have deal with. Here is the latitude and here is the longitude. So this is basically a comma separated file, txt file. You can also download it from the description, or you can make your own file. So after downloading this, you have to add this file in your folder which you are working with. In my case, I am working on web app, I think so, web map. That's why I've added it here. After that, simply import pandas. If you're following my previous tutorial, you all know how we can get this file here. Now create a variable, let's say data equals to pandas, and if you have any kind of doubt in this, you can watch my previous tutorial or ask the doubt in the comment box. Pandas dot read csv, and here we'll pass the file name volcanos.txt. After that, let me first show you what this file exactly is. If I go to this code, first let me import the pandas data. Here is the how you can get the file here like this. Is the longitude and the latitude. You want to extract these two columns, and to extract these two columns, simply you have to create a new variable. Let's say lat equals to let's say list of, and here data dot lat is some kind of error. Okay, yep, here's the error. We have not put the square bracket. Let me just copy it and the square bracket here. And if I again error, okay guys, there was some internal error. And if you try to write this again and with this lat keyword, you will get the list of the latitude here. So you have to do the same in this library. All we're going to do is, and after that, let's see how to get the latitude. Latitude equals to list data and lat, same for the longitude, list data lon, I think lon, yep, lon, longitude. Okay, after this, here in the for loop, if you are thinking that you have to pass these lon, lon and lat value here, you are wrong. Here is a special case for doing so. Let me just remove this out. Whenever you have these two big lists, you have to use a function called zip, and here in the zip you have to parse the value of these now, and you have to create two variables also here, and here you have to pass the value I, comma j, save it, Simply let me edit it. What I have done, exit here, Python map.py. Hope it will run successfully. Yep, it has been successfully run. And if I go to the folder, map 1 is the Python map, map 1. If you run this, you will get the coordinates like this in the group with the coordinate of all the volcanoes which I have given the file of. And one thing is that all have a same description where you can see. In the next tutorial, I will explain you how you can change these description for every single volcano. So stay tuned and thank you.